Welcome to Shrouded Securities, where we unveil the specifics of ETFs and other publicly traded securities in a personal briefing just for you. I'm your host, Spooky, and today we're investigating the unusual Wales Subversive Republican Trading ETF, known as KRUZ or KRUZ. Offered by Subversive Capital Advisor LLC, KRUZ is an actively managed ETF that seeks long-term capital appreciation by investing in the publicly traded companies that sitting Republican members of Congress and their families are trading. By tracking the periodic transaction reports, or PTRs, required by the Stock Act, KRUZ aims to ride the coattails of Republican politicians' stock picks. Perhaps named for Ted Cruz, a prominent U.S. senator. Lion Ted is a major leader of the Republican Party and a symbol of the right in the American political establishment. Those who choose to invest in KRUZ may believe that Republican congresspeople have unique insights into the industries and companies they regulate. Launched in February 2023, KRUZ's managers look back at the past 3 years of PTRs to establish the initial portfolio, netting purchases against sales. Going forward, the fund buys or sells holdings based on the latest congressional disclosures. The portfolio typically consists of 500 to 600 equity securities, though the exact number fluctuates with Republican lawmakers' trading activity. As of April 19, 2024, KRUZ has just under $16 million in assets under management. The fund's top holdings include Shell, ConocoPhillips, Comfort Systems USA, Elevance Health, and NVIDIA. The fund's holdings span sectors such as energy, industrials, and healthcare, reflecting, perhaps, the industries of interest to Republican policies and committee assignments. The fund's expense ratio stands at 0.83%, which includes a 0.75% management fee and 0.08% in acquired fund fees. While higher than some passive index ETFs, this is on par for an actively managed fund with such a unique strategy that must closely track the trades of a capricious group of investors. With a turnover rate already exceeding 45%, KRUZ's active management is closely mirroring the trading moves of Republican leadership. However, the fund still aims to maintain diversification to comply with 40 Act regulations. The managers of the fund may choose not to trade on small transactions found in PTRs, instead focusing on assets that constitute a larger and more impactful component of those made by Republican Congress members. Of course, investing in a politically themed fund comes with distinct risks. Plus, there's no guarantee that elected officials are savvy stock pickers, regardless of their insights. Whether KRUZ is a clever way to profit alongside Washington power brokers or a gimmicky gamut exploiting political distrust is for you to decide. The information we've presented today is based on the public filings made by the fund, including the prospectus and other regulatory filings, as well as data available on the fund's website. We don't endorse any fund or vouch for the accuracy of the information they have provided. As always, be sure to do your own due diligence. Consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance, and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This has been Spooky for Shrouded Securities. Just like you, we prefer to be compensated for our efforts. To that end, if you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if it brings you value. We wish you and yours all the best.